Top shelf shit only. We inside, y'all. Look at my, as y'all can tell on my phone, this bitch Lacey had 4 things of Don Julio shots in her motherfucking bag, and we had to drink them before we got through TSA. So I'm reactivated. I don't even know if I told y'all I was drunk before I got on here. We made it here, y'all, and Lacey think that these suitcases is about to fit in this little ass trunk, and I'm telling you. Thank you. I told you that. You don't listen. I told y'all. We made it. The plane ride was cool. We on the fucking plane, and basically this fucking baby won't shut the fuck up. The baby was not even crying. No offense to the kids, but like he just and they laughing. Bitch, that's not funny. Like I'm trying to go to sleep. Honestly, that plane ride was cold as fuck, and the baby was crying the whole time. Like. It's a baby on this bitch screaming, and was not stopping. I had to put my fucking headphones in. I woke up, y'all. My ears were sore. When I took my headphone out, my ear was sore. It's 70-something degrees out here. It is only 8:30. We don't check into the Airbnb until like 4 o'clock. So do you want to say, you know, you was right? That stuff when I never. We hate the bitch who don't like to hold herself accountable. That car was just driving itself. I don't want to share the road with cars that drive themselves. Let's get a Waymo. Look at this. Nobody is in there. I don't even show y'all the bitch braids. Look at her. How clean. Yeah. We made it. We look a mess with all these bags. All right, my appetizer and drink came. She got a mimosa. Look at Lacey. That is. Girl, we get active over here. Wait, I need a mine next to yours. What you get? Shrimp and grits. That shit pretty good. What you get, Madison?
A corned beef skillet.
Ooh, I love a good corned beef. I got 1 lamb chop, y'all. All right, y'all. Here we are an hour later. I got this whole drink. Bitch is just crying. I gotta throw up. And I got this. It's all gone. This is a little sip left. Oh no, the bottom of that is due safe for real. It's 10:30. We get in a little bit somewhere. I mean, it was 7 when we got here, so now we only got 5 hours until we can check in. The people at the brunch spot literally wanted us to get out of there so fast. I have to call the people and say, we stranded, we homeless, we've been here since 7 in the morning. We have to get in the Airbnb because they stuff says it's like a 90-minute wait time, and we've been over here for like 130 minutes. It's time for us to go. We leaving brunch at, it's 11:22. Hola. We got another car. How you doing? It's so fucking hot, y'all. I'm ready to have my palms out. Palms, angels, palms itching. We made it to the, oh, it's the ring. I don't like that. Okay, let me see. I hope it ain't no iguanas or no lizards. Let me look. Oh, it's cold in here. Is it? Yes. Oh. I'm screaming. It's very open. Oh, okay. I'm just worried about this pool. That's the only thing I'm thinking about. Is the pool. Yes.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh my gosh, no. Y'all, we made it. Wait, let me take that up so y'all can see this ass shake. We're about to go swimming. This is the bathing suit. I got it from Fashion Nova. Yeah. Skin cancer is a real thing, y'all. Where y'all sunscreen? The only good mirror that's in this house is in Janelle's room. So I just want to show y'all my swimsuit from Fashion Nova. It's super cute. Do we like the bun, guys? I think the bun is really cute. I did this one better. Take a shot for the camera. Ooh. Ooh. This supposed to look stupid. I caught it. Ooh. Ooh. Help me. Oh my God. I'm here now. I'm here now.
Oh! I'm too short!
I'm here now.
I'm short! Janine! Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here.
We here now. No, we here now. We here now.
Ooh, we're not here. I can't go that deep. I'm too short! God, this
They
bitch
just seen that chaos.
forced me in the pool. Is this?
If she landed, she was in Colorado an hour ago. She should be in a couple minutes. That might be her above us, actually.
Get it!
Ooh.
I got you shot. I'm splashing.
Ooh, yeah, splash him, splash him. There goes Janelle under me, y'all.
Stop playing. Janelle, talk about this, Janelle.
File claims with attack.
Play too much. Go berserk, yeah! Okay, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I thought you was somewhere else. I was coming in here to troll you. I thought she was. I was finna come in here and act crazy.
Oh, my battery dying. Let me put it on charger.
I am. I'm about to get it. I'm about to get it. Yeah, I'm about to get it. You know what that is?
Where's that?
You know?
Now if you only knew, no, you would have to finally see that. Finally get a chance to see. I wanna get it, he don't later. If he ain't, it ain't where it's at, it's where he wanna be. If he ain't gonna bow the way, bow, then let it go.
Did the Carlton. Oh, there.
We about to go outside. We about to get dressed to go outside. This is crazy. I'm fucked up.
Where's
I'm
the
mad.
function?
Which one is which? Is this just straight liquor?
Mm-hmm.
Are you okay?
I was trying to pour it for the TikTok.
No, bitch, you did too much for the TikTok. I'm so hurt. I don't have my makeup. I'm so hurt. It's like my heart is torn out my chest. For real. You laughing?
I didn't even say shit. Crazy ass girl.
We about to go outside, and I'm touring. I'm gonna record as much as I can on my phone. I got this on. I really don't like it, but everybody's saying it's cute, so I'm just gonna keep it on. Now they dragged me out. I'm so fucked up. I'm waking up. I'm waking up. Okay, look, this her food.
I got
She got nachos. I got some.
Mac, wings.
I got some wings. Let's open them. Okay. Which move? This is 0 stars. But it's not for gas, guys.
I think it's fine. Shit.
I thought you see stuff in the sure to move around.
We gotta look around for the boys pull up.
They can.
Good morning. It's 8. It's only 8 o'clock.
We was up at 5. We was taking.
I'm sorry that y'all are morning people, and that y'all wasn't as fucked up as me last night.
I was up.
So everybody on the same level right now. Let's see.
I don't even know how I made it out last night, honestly. Yeah, it's 8 o'clock.
And it's shot o'clock.
It's shot o'clock. I didn't eat no breakfast.
Nobody ate no breakfast.
When you're on the trip, you don't eat no breakfast. Breakfast is liquor.
Liquor.
I'm drunk. I've been drunk since I got here. I wake up drinking. I go to sleep drinking. And I think it's time for me to talk to the lady.
Cheers. Got a couple right.
Hey.
Cheers.
Let's get this shit. Cheers.
That wasn't bad.
For tonight.
Good morning.
Good morning. Was the
music good? Was the music good last night?
No, music was straight. It was straight.
It was R&B night. It was literally it was mainly specific to that. It was R&B. That's why I was like, bitch, acting like you wasn't there.
Bitch, was you there?
I remember.
Yes, barely. Barely. Bitch was gone.
All I remember is the niggas kept saying, what y'all doing that? Y'all know I get hangry. I was pissed off.
But that man said
I had to eat it though.
The music wasn't bad though.
Alright, we about to figure out what we about to wear. I'm gonna go get my bag soon. Every time I play this, they get mad at me. They're like, it's not Drake and Party Next Door vibes. I love it. It's always Drake and Party Next Door vibes. The fuck was they thinking? Vulnerable. Yeah. I need Drake and Party to go on the tour. Cause what the fuck is going on? This shit stink. Yeah, I don't.
We didn't have to we were drinking, we were taking shots, like it was so good. I'm like, oh my god, I never had no shit like this. That shit was so fucking good.
This tastes like what's some other powder or them Alka-Seltzers? That's what this shit tastes like. One face to face in the crowd, laughing over shots, people. Your girl is dressed. I'm not even really halfway through with this vitamin C packet. They in the car already. I don't know. Look at y'all's vitamins.
I don't need no more of that shit. Shit.
Alright, we got professionals up in here now.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. The whole gang in here.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
Y'all ever had an Ingrid Crab Shack before, anything like this?
Not from here specifically, no. Shit, they only charge 50 cents for potatoes.
50 cents?
This should get that
50
shit
cents?
for $3.
Should be for 2 of them. Y'all, we got our utensils and our gloves. Yeah, the scissors is necessary.
We ready.
We is ready. This is so tight. It's not slipping. It's not coming off.
Is you ready today?
Like it's down.
Damn. I have to be the doctor tomorrow.
We about to be. I'm ready. I'm overly ready. It's not slipping. Are you happy? It's quiet now. Ain't nobody got nothing to say. Thank you.
Ooh, this shit's so spicy. What kind of sauce y'all get?
Mild. Mild? And it's spicy?
Mild spicy. Maybe I should like, I'm pussy right now.
out.
The fuck?
She's like,
It's right. It's correct. Hold on. Stop fucking with me, y'all. No, this shit is hot.
This is what?
It's
Not
hot.
that hot.
Let's crack this mug open. I got 2 of them. They gave me 2 of them. Let me show y'all how to get these bitches out. Ready? Break the finger back. I usually use my teeth. Not gonna lie. Let me teach y'all real quick. I'm ready to twerk on the yacht now. You said what?
Oh, you died.
Right here, the Don Julio bottle, the Rosado. Yeah.
Yeah.
$159.99.
You getting the chaser? Look at this.
Well, how you doing today, huh? I don't have nothing for you to eat. I'm sorry. How much you want? You want a carrot? Huh? Is that what you want? Is a carrot to come in?
You're about to eat that steering wheel.
You can't have my steering wheel covered.
Oh my god.
Okay, we gotta go, buddy. There's a car behind us.
Oh.
Your next customers are here.
He's not moving.
No, he's standing there. Everyone feeds him, so he'll stand until it gets dark.
I am screaming. The water is so blue.
I'm going to
That's good.
You gonna do what? You gonna do what?
That's
Talk about in it.
That's glacier water.
When the water's so blue, so blue. I don't like this. Are we supposed to be working on this? I mean, how else we gonna get down, huh? This shit is steep.
All of these coves are on the north end that way. The other marina, the dam, these campgrounds are all to the south in that direction.
Feet, so that should be working in any of the coves around here, stuff like that. Shallow-ish water, not shallow that you're gonna hit rocks though.
Thank you.
They should never let me do those.
We got the girl driving the boat. Fuck it, let's do it. Fuck it, let's do it. I got money in my pockets, I'm loyal. You said I ever look as funny. Oh shit. Cause her nigga dropped the bag.
These niggas handshake.
Getting weirder and weirder.
Look at me, man.
In the aisle, weirder.
I ain't taking a pretty bitch to church in a minute.
Cause her nigga dropped the bag, bitch. Cause his bitch dropped the bag.
In that GLE, 50,000 new Chanel shopping spree, and every time I pop out, you know I ATE.
It's so smooth. I don't even need a chaser.
Get like me, you know it's
Nah, don't let. Watch her later.
Small niggas, tall niggas.
Alright, we about to take my pictures, y'all.
I'm on the interstate. Switch lane, catch a plane like a head coat. Double cup filled up, I'm near big. Nigga. Yeah.
That's just gonna get your hair.
It's on. So there ain't no option, baby. Yeah.
That's enough. Oh, that's still hot, bitch.
Shit in my pocket, where your pants hit the show with 30 hitters. I'm with Cuddy, he up blink before we win.
If you a bad bitch, fuck it up, fuck it up. Like what?
Shit,
I done fucked up the whole program.
Being off the wall, different down, that's the only chance. Do it right, do it right, do it right, do it right, do it right.
Then you get some bread in the front of the. Then you get some.
Won't you do it to me, baby, like it like inside?
Damn, I can't let that guy love you. Bitch, and I'm the wrong bitch to choose. He's a goofy nigga, doing what goofy niggas do. And it's bitches like you that make these niggas think it's cool. In other words, I give a fuck about that bitch.
Never the claim.
You're confused as a lame.
It's your dumb ass missing the truth.
And your dumb ass missing the brain. No, keep it pimpin'. You can come and you ain't gotta start, baby. I'm sorry by myself. It's okay. Don't forget to real money. She walk like she to make a breakfast, no doubt.
Just stay the night, get nasty. Coming from the condo, I'm picking you up.
We're stranded out here. We are stranded out here, y'all. We are like, she said we gotta wait till 10. Can we pay them to get her off now? The fuck?
Yeah, so that's the unfortunate thing with Uber. I hate like that they don't tell you like you can't.
I will pay you.
No, she's Arizona. We don't got taxis, unfortunately.
We are stranded. We are stranded at this lake because knowing that Ubers want to pick us up and we just far as hell. Okay, bet. And we're gonna pay y'all. Just let us know, okay? And let us know in the next 5 minutes. We stranded at the lake. Stranded at the lake, like, please come pick us up. Somebody come pick us up.
Anybody, somebody, please. 911. Matt ended up coming to get us our first Uber driver. He only wanted $100. We got a ride. You said what? We got a ride, y'all. Yeah. Janelle had to find his number, the one who dropped us off. Because he literally told us that people don't really come out here and get fucking picked up. So he came back. We told him we gonna pay him $100. So we are not stranded anymore. You know I'm not turning no shot down. Put the whole bottle strong. Pour me a shot. It's very hot. I need that water.
Man, what was that little ass shit? Give her some more.
Oh shit. I need some of that. Okay, y'all, our ride on the way. So we gonna catch y'all when we get back to the motherfucking B&B because we're not stranded anymore thanks to my friend.
Thinking cap on. I'm a captain and I got a fucking thinking cap.
She was the captain. She got a thinking cap. She is our man of the group for the week, y'all.
Like, what the hell?
Our brains are off for sure.
Why is mine on?
For sure. Yeah,
why is mine on?
It should be off. The semester's over. Janelle talk about she happy to see this man, y'all.
I'm so happy.
We are not stranded anymore. Listen.
If nobody answered, you answer.
I'm out of breath. Them stairs whooped our ass. We made it. We made it. Hi. I'm getting the yard dog.
Okay, what's your wrong?
You laughing, girl? The yard dog.
That's a lot.
Is it
They all gonna get messed up. This is frozen.
It's not that bad. It is bad. And then I got blue raspberry and then cat five. Okay, cat five. You got Apple Pay? Yes. Alright, so cute. I got blue 5 and cat blue raspberry and cat 5 for cake. Cheers. Now that's good. It is good. 2 out of 10. Highly recommend. You want to pour the Casamigos in yours? This bitch. You want to pour it in yours? Cheers. I'm about to pour some Casa Fricos in this. Wow. This ghetto my laptop right here.
Fucking
yeah,
bitches.
You got to do this.
You bitches is crazy.
We in and out, security guard coming in. Bitch like, y'all too loud, I gotta get out. Bitch, you gotta get out. Who gotta get out? We ain't that fucking loud talking about we gotta get out. She doing too much. It was loud as fuck in there. Any motherfucker was talking about something, we gotta get out. Bitch, you get out.
It's okay, but his name Mark. You know, pick the last name. I'm serious. Mark is not his name. Just say all that.
Y'all, I fell in the fucking pool. When I fell in the pool, it was like I got baptized. Like the Lord saved me. Hello, I'm here. I just want y'all to know that the whole party is asleep. I'm the only one awake. These hoes are out for the night. And it's only 11 o'clock. So we're gonna see y'all when we go ATV in. These hoes literally went to sleep. But yesterday when I was asleep and everybody was yapping and yelling at me, I got up and I still went outside and did what I had to do. But these hoes was finished for the rest of the night. Are y'all okay? I just want to let y'all know that all y'all hoes was asleep last night. And my camera is watching y'all. I set everybody alarm. 5 minutes apart from the previous time, I don't care. 5 o'clock, 5:10, 5:15, 5:20, 5:25, 5:30, get up. Since y'all don't want to go to the club the night before, y'all hoes gonna get up in the morning and be ready on ATVs.
We about to go ATV and my battery is really dead, but I wasn't bringing this anyways. All right, y'all, we made it. Well, clearly. Oh, I don't even know how I'm trusting this photo. Be behind the wheel with me. We hitting these damn corners. Let them go a little further. My bitches shaking ass with their hands out. Oh, this is a steep ass turn. Ooh. Ooh. It's so dusty. I'm happy we got these goggles. Blurry. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't like these hills. Bitch. Ooh. Bitch. Out here. Show them the view. We should have been over here taking pictures in this time, Lacey. The fuck?
Close to a lake or something?
This shit.
They could have been more friendly in that area if they're used to humans.
What the hell? What the hell y'all say? What the hell y'all?
Oh my. Oh. Oh. We're women, ho. This nigga who got us, who's touring us, y'all, is kind of crazy. And he takes driving. Oh. I want you to show them that hill we just went up. How the fuck I'm gonna show? Oh, God. God, this is like really diabolical. I'm not even gonna lie. That bitch is steep. After an hour, y'all, we are here. The Uber is here. Shit. Mind you, it's 9 a.m. only. You laughing, girl?
That bitch just mixed up my little she was about to eat up somebody's mom.
Clearly, y'all, we made it back.
No, that's the outfit you didn't like the other day.
I like it.
Not to wear to the club, I didn't like it. Thank you.
It's a daytime fit.
Yeah, not for the club. Not for the club.
But for the good.
It was giving that thing up the bread to the
It's giving.
With that,
Bitch,
Yeah.
when we went that first time, we wore that.
Definitely.
Wore that.
They stuck. They stuck.
You getting down.
So, we didn't go out last night. I think I told them that already, though.
Yeah, and this hoe was too drunk.
Yeah, y'all were too drunk.
A bitch like her should never talk.
She would agree.
Ariel was the main one not getting up. Now, I'm not gonna lie. Ariel, you was the first one to sleep. Cause you was in Janelle's room. And Janelle was sitting on the bed in her towel, but y'all wasn't like.
She still had that swimsuit
Cause
on.
I was like, shit, what's going on?
You talking about some, oh, we can take an hour nap. Ariel said, bet. She jumped up and got in the bed.
Cause I got a childhood. Cause y'all been telling me about to go right now. That's what I
We
said.
was supposed to really leave, but then we was like, we really can wait a minute because it was kind of early. I think it was like 9 o'clock.
It's so fucking hot. Hello.
Huh?
We're on our way to the liquor store, y'all. My voice. I can't believe Fat Tuesday tore us up how we did yesterday. It was bad.
That was too much for me.
I'm scared to look. I didn't even look at my clips on here to see what's on here. But I think I had my camera outside from when Lacey fell in the pool. I think my camera was out.
That's silly.
I was gonna have to jump in to get my friend, even though the pool 2 inches deep. And the bitch know how to swim.
Inches is crazy. Cause the end looked like 6. So where she was at was like the middle. I feel like that was like
I gotta
3 or
drive
4.
through.
Yes. My type
We've been drinking since 5 a.m. I'm recovering so hard when I come back home. The gym I'm gonna be hurting. Thank you. We're gonna get Rosado.
Oh. You want Red Bull or no?
No, I'm okay. Oh shit, I'm running into stuff. Top shelf shit only.
She go for the big.
How much is it? Sorry.
$197.23 at the 50-cent charge.
We all in a movie?
We do YouTube.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. You too. We got the lipstick.
Look at this. This supposed to be like a breeze. It's like a purse.
That's not okay. They getting creative out here.
That is so funny.
Top shelf shit only. Yeah. It's like, no. This was really good though.
I'm making these take a shot as soon as we get in, including you.
Oh, you know I'm down.
What you want with that information?
Don't threaten me with a good time.
These hoes some alkies, I tell you this. Damn.
I think I got your phone. And then beside this rig all the way through.
She didn't take it out the bottle.
We said out the bottom for the first shot. Go ahead.
I ain't never heard no shit like that.
Go ahead.
I'm honestly just convinced I can't keep up with Janae. If you know, you know. If you don't, mind your little ass business, okay? Bye.
Okay. Ready to get your ass bust? Janelle about to play skee ball with me. Wait, pause it. What's your room?
Pause what? Wait, it's a video?
What's your room? And whoever said they drunk or they buzz, they gotta take a shot. She said whoever said they gotta pee, they take a shot.
Whoever is quiet for more than 5 minutes gotta take a shot. Cause bitch, you sleep. You sleep. You're asleep.
Whoever get on the phone with a man is taking a fucking shot. So
That's diabolical.
Diabolical. It don't even fucking work.
It is working. I'm about to get a score on you. Yeah. Oh no!
Hey!
How did she just get a point on me?
Take a fucking shot.
So now you, I will take a shot today actually. You just put it in there.
Take a fucking shot for that because I just scored on her ass, y'all. I did.
I'm taking my shot because she scored on me, y'all. This bitch thought I was about to eat this.
I thought I was about to mukbang my vlog, bitch. This bitch gonna need to kill me. It's hurting. Cause it's literally same.
Get the gas from Lil Jeremy. Had to buy the bitch a bag, cause what she wearing on me with the box and papers, I can't wear it. My diamonds coming straight from my icebox, she went to Jerry. I really came up on moving, but like I'm tired.
I'm sorry, you was like that. I'm about to
Oh my gosh.
What the fuck?
We don't want it to get on our stomach. It's cold.
You should burn yourself.
Okay. We did it.
There you go.
Let me bring y'all over here though. I ain't playing with that paddling water. No. Lacey, you can't put your booty in the middle. It's gonna.
But I'm trying to show her that she can sit in the front.
DJ D Red, cut the beat.
We're about to go. Let's go.
Run again. Run again. Oh, wait.
I ain't see you. I'm gonna fall over.
We've been in this pool for 6 hours, and I don't even know what to do with my life. I need a Fat Tuesday yard dog. These hoes scared to drink the liquor. Okay, we out the shower.
There you go. That's what I said. My whole ass is out.
Is this the original? It's the remix. So I'm getting it free, bitch. T-Pain plus 6, bitch. These hoes are scared to go to Fat Tuesday. They scared to go to Fat Tuesday. The fuck? You don't have to get a big dog.
I'm scared of yard hoes.
You don't have to get a big dog.
She was wearing this outfit and she already. Hey.
Janelle keep running from the liquor. She's scared.
Girl,
you got the bottle up here? Alright, bet.
Just take the damn shot. Just take the fucking shot. These hoes keep saying we drunk, but I just think personally they are ducking from the liquor. Cause these hoes was the main bitches talking about, I'm about to get so drunk when we was in Michigan still. Now that we in Arizona, where the fuck is the bitches at? Cause they not drinking. These hoes, they sleep, y'all. I done booked the black truck to Fat Tuesday. Cause we gonna drink. What you mean? What person am I bringing? This one.
Are we going to Fat Tuesdays?
Yeah.
Why'd you say the store?
That's the store. What are you talking about? We did that earlier when we went to the liquor store.
You just said Fat Tuesday.
That's where we're going.
They're not gonna let us out. The security guard. Bitch, damn.
Okay, wait. Okay, we're gonna take that back.
God damn.
I forgot about that. No, I'm just not gonna get a yard dog. Cause I'm not doing all of that. And I don't wanna get that fucked up anyways.
Now you don't wanna get a foot?
I don't. We gotta be up at 4 in the morning. The Uber outside. I made a mistake and booked the black truck.
Okay, that's cool. No, I booked the black truck back here earlier.
Here we are once again. I love Fat Tuesday. Y'all can't take it away from me. I got the same flavor as yesterday. I just got it in the small version because I'm not that. I ain't trying to be that twisted. It needs to be as bitch we can be.
Don't shush me. Don't shush me. Don't shush me. Don't shush me.
Ooh, we do. Say cheers, y'all.
Cheers. Cheers.
Pigeons by your toes. Let's see if these hoes asleep. If these hoes asleep, they in here watching Murray still with the damn mute on. That's how I know they sleep. I knew you was asleep. Take a shot. You said when I get back, you was like, I want some of yours. Are you asleep? Come on, y'all. Don't go to sleep. If it's gonna be one bitch that's up, it better be you. Cause y'all left me for dead. We both got quiet like this bitch feeling liquor. Oh my. Get up, no.
I'm cold.
No, this is what y'all did yesterday.
Cold.
No. Get up. Get up, no.
It's cold.
Get up. It's okay. Shake some ass and shake it off. It's 8:50. They see the main bitch is about to be asleep with her weird ass. These hoes asleep. That's exactly what I was worried about because we got a party to go to in 2 hours. And we didn't get our names put on a list for no reason. So that means get the fuck up and take some shots. To make it in America. Only thing to my name is an old t-shirt. Faded 1985 from a...
I'd rather get it right than wrong tonight.
Oh! I think I had that. You out here asleep? Bitch. You out here asleep? What the fucky? Look. don't think I like this. We all getting ready for the club and you out here asleep.
I'm up.
Get up.
Can I have 10 minutes?
No, get up.
Yes.
It's already 9:50.
I'm outside. What worse can I do by being outside for 10 minutes?
Get up. It's muggy and hot out here. Come on.
It's not.
Come on, so this cold air can smack you. You didn't even finish your damn Fat Tuesday. Get up, get up, get up.
I need 10 minutes.
No, it's already 10 o'clock.
10 minutes not gonna hurt.
It will hurt. What are you wearing?
It's all on the bed.
I'm gonna whoop somebody's ass. If y'all hoes sleep tonight, I'm not talking to y'all for 2 weeks. These hoes are being L's right now. Are you still asleep, girl?
Look, you like it.
He want me back her here, girl can't get no cool now. The queen puts her lulu on his butt.
I put the tape on my boobs. Let's hope it stay. I might do a little piece so it don't be like slipping and sliding. We're gonna sleep at home, bitch. We're sleeping at home. Get that ass up. You're gonna hurt your back. Stop. Get up. Bow, bow, bow. Come on, you're the only one. You're 40 minutes away. Get the fuck up. Fuck down.
I can't see shit.
I don't want to hear that. I can't see shit today. I don't want to hear that.
I really can't see you.
Get up.
What you doing with my drink?
It's downstairs.
Why take it?
Because you was asleep on the couch
It took me about 4
outside.
hours.
And didn't. I got these girls up today. Oh my gosh. We're about to go to this speakeasy. I don't know how it's going to go. Hopefully they don't say we can't have our phones because, bitch, I need it.
We made it outside. Y'all can't see me, but we made it, y'all. I had to literally be the mean guy today. We made it outside. Yeah. These hoes are the bar drunk.
Okay, y'all, this is the end of this vlog. My voice is gone. We are back in Detroit. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to my mom. Yep. But hold on, this seat leaning back. Who was over here asleep? But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends, and I'm gonna catch y'all in my next one.
You said